In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design slides in Google Slides. First, open your browser and head to Google Slides. Once you're on the home page, start a fresh project by choosing Blank Presentation. This gives you a clean canvas and lets you control every design choice. Click on the slide canvas or its thumbnail on the left to make sure it's selected, then set up your background. Look for the background button at the top and select it. Here you can decide whether you want a solid color or an image. If you choose a color, keep contrast in mind so your text will be easy to read. If you choose an image, pick something high resolution and not too busy, and consider centering it so important content stays visible. Avoid placing text directly over busy areas to keep everything legible. When your background looks right, click Done to apply it. Now add your main text. Select the text box tool, click on the slide, and type your title or content. You can format it using the toolbar. Choose a clear font, increase the size for headings, and adjust alignment. A quick tip, limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts to keep the design consistent. If you want a coordinated look across all slides, open the Themes panel and select a theme you like. Themes set default fonts and colors and can save time, especially for longer decks. You can still customize individual slides after applying a theme. Next, add more slides as you build your story. Right-click in the slide panel on the left where you want the new slide to appear and choose New Slide. This keeps your sequence organized. If you need a different layout for a slide, you can change it later without redoing your content. To bring motion to your deck, add a transition. With a slide selected, open the transition options and pick a style such as fade or slide. Adjust the speed to match your presentation's pace. Subtle transitions usually look more professional, and you can apply the same effect to all slides for consistency. When everything looks good, click Share in the top right. Choose the sharing settings that fit your needs, whether you're inviting collaborators to edit or creating a view-only link for your audience. Copy the link and you're ready to present. That's it. You've set a background, added text, selected a theme, created new slides, added a transition, and shared your work all inside Google Slides.